students, this is Bala from Bala's English Today channel. Okay, now if you think about language consists of sentences, and sentences are made up of words. And not all words in a sentence are pronounced similarly. Suppose you take a word consists of different units, and for each unit we take a breath. Okay? Now a unit which is uttered with one breath is called a syllable. So a syllable is nothing but it is a unit that we utter in one breath. For example, if you take the word polite, you may think that polite is uttered just like that with one breath. Not so. Polite, it is disyllabic word. Okay. And if you take beautiful, for example, beautiful. So you take, for one unit you take a breath. Beautiful. You utter like that. You don't say beautiful. No. Beautiful. So beau. After that there is a gap because you utter with one breath. Beau, then t, then full. So this is what exactly mean by syllable. So as I said, a syllable is a unit that we utter in one breath. Okay. And in any language you have monosyllabic words, disyllabic, trisyllabic and polysyllabic. That means a word which is very short, which can be uttered with one breath is called monosyllable. And then suppose you are uttering a word with two breaths, that is disyllabic, and three syllable if you have, it is called trisyllabic, and polysyllabic is more than three syllables. Okay, now you see, for example, you take the word toy, try, cute, pen. So you don't stop anywhere, just it's a flow, toy, one breath, and it's a single small word, toy. Okay, try, cute, pen. So these are called monosyllabic words because you utter them in one breath. Okay. Next you take disyllabic. What is di? You understand the word di too. So it is two syllable words. Now you see polite, and this dot indicates the place where you take breath. Okay. Po, one. Light, two. Polite. Next, English. Reject, master. So without you knowing, with your flow you talk, but if you keenly observe, you must be observing, you must be dealing the word's pronunciation in such a manner that you utter each syllable with giving a gap or taking one breath. Okay? So po, one breath. Light, two. Po, you stop there. With one breath you take po, then light, another. Suppose a bigger word than polite, beautiful, for example, beautiful. It is trisyllabic word. Okay? Beautiful. Now this one is typical. You can understand the dot indicates, as I said, your breathing cycle or schedule. Typical. Okay? Typical, you say typical, but you are giving a gap, one breath, you are taking another breath. Typical, syllable, signature. So you won't say signature, no. Signature. Okay? Now, polysyllabic words contain more than three syllables. For example, capability. Okay, 5. Examination. 5. Examination. Procrastinate. Procrastinate. It is 4-syllable word. Then propaganda. This is also 4. Propaganda. Propaganda. So this sort of syllable identification will help you to place the stress. That's the next topic we are going to learn. So hope you understood about syllable. Syllable is a unit in a word which we utter with one breath. Okay, got it? Now, what is a stress? This is not the regular stress you experience in your life. This is a word stress. Word stress. When you understood that a word can be monosyllabic, disyllabic, trisyllabic and polysyllabic, we stress certain syllables in a word. Not all the words uttered in a same manner or with force. Certain syllable is pronounced with or uttered with force, and that's called stress, word stress. So if there are more number of syllables in a word, then only one syllable is uttered loudly or with force. Not all the syllables are uttered with the same force. This force of utterance on a particular syllable is called word stress. Okay, now see, for example, this word stress is not applicable for monosyllabic because anyway there is only one syllable. You are going to stress the syllable. Toy, toy, try, cute, pen. Okay, so automatically the stress is indicated. You have to place a line on the syllable where it is stressed. Now see, monosyllabic. Toy, try, cute, pen. Okay. Now when you take the disyllabic words, okay, begin, for example, you take the word begin. Okay. Begin. Be, one syllable. Gin, second syllable. So now the stress is on the second syllable. Begin. You want to say begin. No. Begin. So second syllable you are stressing. Got it? Now like that you take examination, polysyllable word, and examination. N is stressed. That's the third syllable. See, fourth syllable. Examine. This is stressed. See, examination. Name. So the stress is on the fourth syllable here. Okay, examination, examination. And now you take photograph, 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 photograph. Now the first syllable, photograph, we'll say photograph. So the first syllable is stressed. So this is all about the stress. So word stress is nothing but in a particular word, if it contains more than one syllable, any one syllable is uttered loudly, and that we call it as word stress. Now, academy, in your dictionary, you may not get more about word stress, but definitely you will get the division of the syllable. It will be written like that. There will be a dot in your dictionary. If you check, you will have a part of speech of the word, okay, and then the meaning of the word, and also you will have a small dot like that, that is differentiating the syllable in a word. So you can identify academy. So syllable identification is easy using your dictionary. When it comes to word stress, there are certain rules. There are 7 rules which you apply for learning the stress. That definitely I will teach you in my upcoming videos. Okay, for right now, you have to understand what is a syllable and what is word stress. Hope you understood. This class will be very useful in your pronunciation part. Accent. Word stress is also called accent. Okay, so it is little difficult to understand word stress or accent because now see academy, the derivation of the word Academic is from academy. But the stress is different. Now see, this is academy. The second syllable is stressed. Academy. Now when you pronounce the word academic, the third syllable is stressed. Academic. Academic. Academy. Academic. So this is the difference in the pronunciation. So you have to practice and learn certain rules before actually understanding or using word stress in your language. Okay? Hope you understood the basic things of what is a syllable and what is a word stress. Okay. Suppose if you like this video, please click the like button, share it to your friends, and also subscribe this channel. Thank you, students. All the best.